Hey there folks, Eric Harris with the Iron Canine, doing a quick training scenario with Ezio vom Hammerhouse. This dog is a super well accomplished, very family orientated, friendly German Shepherd, but he also has a very useful side when it comes to weird scenarios, and he's a super protective dog. So without any other explanation from me, we'll pan over to him and we'll get this thing started.
Yes.
You're going to make your own teeth and your heels up and in, okay? Step back. Go ahead.
Ezio, out, down.
So she was able to get control instantly after she made the out, put him into a down, pan back over there and take a look at what he's doing now. That is obedience. That is control. So you see a lot of exploding power. You also see a dog who has the ability to put it under control. Turn it back on. Let's do it again. You'd be absolutely nuts to want to rob this lady's car. Good boy. But on the same side, guys, super friendly, very attractive family dog. I've got countless video and pictures of this dog. My own son, David. There was a coin to every side. This guy's sweet, but he's also a dynamite protection dog. Hope you enjoyed.